Gotcha.
Turn
the key on. Oh, look at that, dude.
Then it lights up.
That looks freaking gnarly. More gas! More gas! Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt, and in case you haven't been following the channel, I upload 2 times a week, every Wednesday and Sunday. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you aren't subscribed already. But today we're going to pick up the FoxBody. It has a brand new Dakota instrument cluster in it, Dakota Digital. And if you haven't, you're not sure what I'm talking about, check out the previous upload. It's in the description below. But yeah, I was having some speedometer problems, and I just got tired of fooling with the mechanical speedometer. So we got a Dakota Digital Cluster. It does quarter-mile time. It does 0 to 60 time. Just a lot of cool stuff. It works off of GPS. They're awesome, and I think it's going to be a really cool upgrade. And I'm looking forward to sharing it with you guys today. So yeah, let's hit the road. All right, we made it to Extreme Mustangs, and we got my cousin out here. A little bit lower stance. And what do you guys think about this grill right here? That look good in mine? Let me know in the comments down below if you want to see a Cobra grill on my car. But yeah, this is my twin. This was my original top, a color. You know, I had a blue top, and when I replaced it, I went with black. Of course, mine's still dirty. Still haven't cleaned my top. Sorry, Eris. Check him out on YouTube. He puts some awesome autocross videos, but I know Eris is wanting me to clean this. I haven't done it yet. But yeah, I like the trunk on this one too, and yeah. So that's my twin. It's also an 89. All right, well, let's go find out what's going on with this cluster.
With a Bashani stainless steel X-pipe.
Sounds really good. It's a good looking 7-Up car.
That's stainless steel.
You started ripping apart the GT yet?
I'll do that next week.
This is our last chance to buy it.
No, he already sold it.
Oh yeah? I need the taillights off of that one.
Yeah, and then I want yours.
Yeah, that's what you need to do. What is swap? He gets mine, you get his, and I get those. And we're all happy. It's the SVO. That's what's in the Cobra, right?
Oh yeah.
Those are Cobra taillights.
Yeah. Aren't those really SVO taillights though?
Those are real Cobra taillights.
Oh really?
Yeah.
But I thought the Cobra 93 Cobra just reused the SVO taillights.
The SVO taillights don't have the lines through them.
Oh really? Okay, I didn't know that.
The lines through. These are the actual real Cobra taillights.
Okay. Well yeah, no, I definitely need those then, so we should do that deal.
Somehow I think he's getting ripped off. Those are a lot harder to come by than
SVO.
No.
Those are harder to come by than cheese grater
or the LX. Well, the LX you can buy, yeah.
Cheese grater you can't do, but the suckers you gotta paint them.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, but those are OEM original Ford.
Yeah, they...
Cobra taillights.
Nice. It was Jason, right?
Yeah.
I do like that you got the black interior, man.
Yeah.
And then brand new door panels.
Oh, he does? Oh, yeah. Yeah, those look nice. Oh, yeah, these are the gauges you were talking about. Yeah. Air, fuel, and boost, yeah.
Oh, those lights? Those are LED bulbs in that thing.
Really?
Yeah. That's why they're so bright.
Ah, okay.
That's why they look so good.
Just don't get stuck in the rain.
I bought wiper arms. They came in and I got
Okay.
wipers. They're in my truck. I tried to take them out of work to the wrong ones. Wipers. They won't fit them. I couldn't get them to work.
Oh, damn.
So I'm gonna take them back to
Well,
Walmart.
it's also not rained for a week now.
Yeah, I figured by Monday I'll bring them back for this.
You can hear that cam now. Sounds good. What cam is in it?
Stage 1.
Okay.
Oh. All right, guys.
All right.
Have a good Thanksgiving, Jason.
Yeah.
Yeah, no problems, hopefully.
Yeah.
You like that switch?
Dude, I like that. I'm gonna come in on the other side so I can see what you're doing.
All right. Now, this will not light up unless you have the power and the key turned forward on it.
Okay.
So if you turn the headlights on, it's not going to light up.
Gotcha.
Turn the
Key on. Oh, look at that, dude.
Then it lights up.
That looks
So-
freaking gnarly.
So, then two. You go through here, the bottom button.
Yeah.
This, see the 2 button, and then there's the 1 button. The 2
Right.
button changes all your display.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah.
Check your brake, even shows your brakes on.
Oh, it even can tell. That's pretty cool. I mean, it's like, yeah, you're parking. Oh, it shows it there too.
Yeah.
Okay, I got you.
So,
The 2 button, how you change.
yeah,
Okay.
hours,
Yeah.
high speed, that's the last time we drove it. 0 to 60, 25.5
Oh,
seconds.
you took it easy, yeah.
Quarter mile, 42 miles an hour. Speed, quarter mile time, 25.5 seconds. Tachometer shows your tach, what it's reading right
I
now.
love that. And then the
High
highest.
RPM.
Yep.
See, that was the highest RPM, 3730. So it records everything, dude.
So if I drop this off at a valet, I can find out if they
Yeah. Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
So that shows the odometer reading. This
Okay.
is the 1 button.
All right, the 1 button, so it's a trip.
Trip A, trip B,
Okay.
in kilometers.
Oh, you can do kilometers instead of miles per hour. Okay.
Yeah. So
Cool. And how do you, I mean, I'll check the book, but how do you program it? You hold something down or?
all right. When you program it to put it into setup mode, you hold the 1 button and you
Okay.
turn the key forward. Puts it into
Okay.
setup mode.
All right. Well, guys, it's obviously pretty dark right now, so I know you can't see much, but I wanted to at least show you some of how the dash looks. It's freaking awesome. I'm so happy with it. I'm driving at night right now, obviously, but just to see all the gauges light up like this, and they look so factory, you know, except for this part down the middle. And I'm gonna do at least 1 video on all the functions that you can do with it, but I'm pretty excited. This thing is really smooth. You know, the water, it's easy to read the water. I don't know, it's nice to have it up here versus I used to have it down here, right? And of course, none of that's actually working anymore. But it's so much easier to see. Yeah, I'm really excited right now, and I just want to show you guys something. So yeah, this is how it looks at night, and I'll do another video later. Hey guys, so I got the Mustang back home, didn't really have any problems. The Dakota instrument cluster is awesome. I'm sure you hear me drooling over it the whole time. I did notice one problem though. On the highway, when I got up to about highway speeds, the mile per hour was about 5 miles an hour off. I'm not quite sure why. I'm gonna look into that and see what I can figure out. But anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, please hit the like button. If you are stopping for the first time and you haven't subscribed before, please do that. And we'll see you next time on Gearhead 704.